So, do you guys remember when this used to be clean? Because I don't. This needs to get better. The Hamdyman Can! Workbench 2.0!
Oh, the Hamdyman Can.
Okay, so basically every time that I'm looking for something, it's always like, where is this thing? And I spend 5 minutes looking for it, and I'm like, oh, here it is. It was exactly where I needed it to be. I gotta fix that. Just kidding. No, I'm out of juice. A lot of noise, hopefully a lot of payoff. Ready for this? Outside stuff. Check all the power tools. Check extra knickknacks. Check screwdriver stuff. Check writing utensils. Check, holy moly, a bunch of random knickknacks, wingdings, hootenannies, and whatever, desk stuff, or hidden box stuff? Done. Or is it? Yep. And last but not least, batteries. Check. Thanks for watching this next episode of The Hamdyman Can. This was Workbench 2.0. 2.0. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to keep coming back, hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed version 2.0 of The Workbench, and perhaps there will be a version 3.0 in the future. Who knows? Stay tuned, because The Hamdyman can.